Okay, so on slide 4, you were given a problem, and it was 71 divided by 4. So 71 divided into 4 groups. 71 is our dividend, and then 4 is our divisor, our dividend. That's what we're divvying out. So if we want to think about this before we get started in a visual way, I can come down here, and I can kind of just show that I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and I am dividing the number 71 into those groups. So one way that we could do this visually is we could go one by one, and we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until we get all the way to 71. But that would take forever. So we're going to use the standard algorithm. So we're going to go back up to our problem up here. And first we're going to think, okay, can 4 fit into 7? How many groups of 4 can I make without going over 7? This one should be one that you can do in your head, but if you can't, that's okay. We can always come off to the side and we can think, okay, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, well, we're already over. So we can only put one group. And then 4 times 1 is 4. We're going to subtract. I'm going to count up. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, so now we're going to repeat. I'm going to take, oh, oopsie, I forgot a step. Did you catch it? I got to bring this one down. All right, now we're going to repeat. So we're going to have to think, how many times or how many groups of 4 can we fit into the number 31 without going over? This one we might not be able to do in our head. If you know your multiplication facts pretty good, then you might know it really quickly. If not, that's okay. But that's why we want to keep practicing those. So I usually like to start with those friendly numbers, either the 5s or the 10s, and I can think pretty quickly that 4 times 5 is 20. And I know that 10 would be too much because 4 times 10 would be 40. So I'm going to just keep going up. So I'm going to think 4 times 6 is 24. Getting a little closer. 4 times 7 is 28. Ooh, okay. And then 4 times 8 is going to be 32. But 32, that's too high. I can't go that high. So I should know, now I know that 7 groups of 4 can fit into 31 without going over. 4 times 7 is 28. Oh my gosh. 28. And 31 minus 28. I can't do 1 minus 8. I have to regroup. So 11 take away 8. I'm going to count up 8, 9, 10, 11 is 3, 0. Okay, so now my step would be to repeat, but now that my dividend is smaller than my divisor, I know that that's just going to be my remainder. So I should know that 71 can divide into 4 groups, and they will each get 17, and there will be a remainder